Okay, dear students, once again, welcome back with another interesting concept and vital concept from your chapter chemistry. I am going to discuss. In this class, I am going to discuss atomic number, mass number, how to determine number of electrons, number of protons, and number of neutrons of an atom. Okay, and all of you know the definition of atom. Yes. What do you mean by definition of atom? Can you tell? Yes. What is the definition of atom? The atom is the smallest part of the element. Atom is the smallest part of the element which may or may not have an independent existence and can take part in a chemical reaction. All of you know. Yes, the atom is the smallest part of the element. The smallest part of the element, the smallest or ultimate part of the element which may or may not have an independent existence but take part in a chemical reaction. Yes, and as according to Dalton's atomic theory, and he told that, what is the Dalton's atomic theory? One of the important line he told, the atom is indivisible. Atom cannot be divisible, which was one of the most important drawback. Okay, and according to further investigation, and it was found that the atom can be divisible. And atom is made up of smallest part, and the smallest part of the atoms are called subatomic particles. Subatomic particles of the atom. Yes, the smallest part of the atom are called subatomic particles of the atom. And what are the subatomic particles of the atom? The subatomic particles of the atom, subatomic particles. The subatomic particles of the atom. What are the subatomic particles of atom? Electrons, protons, and neutron. Okay, it means an atom is made up of electron, protons, and neutron. It means atom can be divisible, and we can get the smallest part of the atoms are called subatomic particles of the atom are called electron, protons, and neutron. And according to know, electrons are the negatively charged particles of the atom. The negatively charged particles of the atom are called what? Electrons. Yes, the electrons are the negative charged particles of the atom. So the negatively charged particles of the atom are called electrons. The negatively charged particle. Yes, the negatively charged particles of the atom are called electrons. Yes, understand? It means the electron carries negative charge. Yes, okay. And then the protons, the positive charged particles. The positive charged particles of the atom are known as protons. And the neutrons are the, what are the neutrons? The smallest part of the atom which carries no charge, which does not carry any charge. Okay, so the positive charged particles of the atom, the positively charged particles are called what? Protons. Understand? And last one is the neutron. The particles of the subatomic particles of the atom. The subatomic part. The subatomic particles of atom carrying no charge, carrying no charge are called neutrons. It means the neutron carries no charge. Okay, and these are the fundamental particles of the atom. Electron, protons and neutron are called fundamental particles of atom or subatomic particles of atom. Okay, and this is one of the concepts already know. Okay, and here I am going to discuss the atomic number. What is atomic number? And since you know every atom is neutral, atom carries no charge. Again, atom is made up of electrons which are negatively charged and protons which are carrying positive charge. Since atom is neutral as a whole, so it must carry equal number of electrons and equal number of protons. So the number of electrons of an atom must be equal to number of protons of an atom. Yes or no? This is another vital concept. The number of electrons must be equal to what? Number of protons. So that the total number of negative charge particles and total number of negative charge and total number of positive charge is cancelled out as a whole. As a result, the atom is neutral by nature. Yes, atom is neutral by nature. So whole atom is neutral. Understand? And according to, again you know that, what you know? And all the protons, atom has a nucleus at the center. According to Rutherford experiment, okay, atomic structure, according to Rutherford atomic model of the atom, nuclear model of the atom, okay, and it was found that, it was observed that according to Rutherford, all the protons and neutrons are found inside the nucleus. It means atom has a nucleus. Atom has a nucleus at the center where all the positively charged particles, protons and neutrons are concentrated. Yes, so nucleus is the very vital part of the atom and where all the protons and neutrons are concentrated. Yes, this is another point we discussed. This is the nucleus. The nucleus is the, yes, is the part of the atom, according to Rutherford's, okay, found at the center where all the protons means positive charge particles and neutrons are found. Neutrons are concentrated. Yes or no? And the electrons are found around the nucleus. The electrons are around the nucleus, and the electrons are moving around the nucleus in different orbits, okay, and different path, okay, as the planets moving around the sun. Yes or no? Planets moving around the sun. Yes or no? Yes. So this is just exactly give the idea, the planetary model of atoms. Okay, and all the electrons are concentrated, are found around the nucleus. They are moving around the nucleus in a fixed path, in a fixed orbit. Okay, as the planets moving around the sun in our solar system. Okay, so this idea also, this atomic structure, okay, this also gives the idea about our planetary models. Okay, planetary model of the atoms, right? Yes, so these are the basic concept of the electron, protons and neutrons of the atoms. Okay, let's see, let's note down here. Okay, next see. Here is the concept about the atomic number. What is atomic number? Atomic number is the total number of electrons of an atom. The total number of electrons of an atom is called atomic number. Yes, write down the total number of, next point you write to atomic number. Next point you write to atomic numbers. What is the point? Which point? Point number 8. Okay. So next point, important point, is known as atomic number. Atomic number, which are going to discuss, and this atomic number is denoted by capital letter Z. So what is atomic number? The atomic number is that the total number of electrons, okay, or protons of an atom is called atomic number. It's called atomic number, and the atomic number is denoted by capital letter Z. And it is an important concept, atomic number of an element. Atomic numbers of an element is a constant value. Every atom has a definite number of atomic number is constant. Yes, understand? And atomic number of an element is the total number of electrons. How many electrons an atom has? It's called atomic number. Since already you know the total number of electrons must be equal to the total number of protons, so we can say also the total number of protons of an atom is also the atomic number. Can you say yes? Understand? Okay. Yes. Suppose the atomic number of hydrogen, suppose I am discussing about the hydrogen. Suppose I am discussing number 1, hydrogen. Yes, hydrogen. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? Yes, if you know already know the symbol of hydrogen is H. The symbol of hydrogen is H. H stands for one atom of the element. Then the abbreviation name of an element is called symbol. The abbreviation name of an element is called symbol, and the symbol of hydrogen is H, and its atomic number. What is the atomic number? The atomic number, yes, the atomic number of hydrogen Z is equal to 1. What does it means? It means that the number of electron is equal to 1, and the number of proton is also 1. Is it clear? Similarly, you can say the helium. Okay, and the symbol of helium is He. The symbol of helium is He, and its atomic number is what? 2. The atomic number is 2. It means, okay, how many electrons the helium atom has? Okay, the number of electrons of helium atom is 2, and number of protons is also 2. And because every atom has the same number of electrons and protons, the number of protons of an atom must be equal to the number of electrons of an atom. Okay, understand? Similarly, if you say lithium, its atomic number what? The atomic number is what? What is the atomic number of lithium? Is 3. It means how many electrons it has? Here clearly you can say the number of electrons is 3, and number of protons is also 3. So this is how you can find out the atomic numbers. From the atomic numbers you can find out easily, you can find out the number of electrons and number of protons. So atomic number tells about the idea how many electrons or protons an atom has. And another important point is that the atomic number of an element has a constant value, is a fixed value. Okay, understand? So the atomic number of lithium is what? 3. It means in every cases, wherever you can find take an atom, and you'll find the number of electrons is 3 and number of protons is also 3. It means the atomic number of the lithium is a constant value. So it is generally you can say the atomic number of an element has a constant value, has a fixed value. This is about the idea of the atomic numbers. Okay. Okay. So let's move another point about the mass number. So is it clear all of you? Atomic number. Let's another point we are discussing about the mass number. Mass number. Mass number. And the mass number is denoted by capital letter what? A. So what is mass number? The sum of the protons and neutrons. The sum of the protons and neutron of an atom is called mass number. Very simple. Okay. And you know all the protons and neutrons are found inside the nucleus of the atom. That's why protons and neutrons are also known as part of the nucleus. They are also known as nucleons. Protons and neutrons are also known as nucleons. Protons and neutrons, these are the part of nucleus. These are the part of nucleus. Yes. And these are known as what? Nucleons. Nucleons. Yes or no? They are known as nucleons. Okay. The protons and neutrons are found inside the nucleus of the atom. They are also known as nucleons. Okay. So all the protons and neutrons are found inside the nucleus of the atom. They are also known as nucleons. Right. Okay. And you see now, the mass number is the sum of all the protons and neutrons. The sum of all the protons and neutrons are okay is called mass number. Is called mass number. Is called what? Mass number. And mass number is usually denoted by capital letter what? A. Okay. So mass number, the mass number is equal to mass number is the number of protons plus number of neutron. It means A is equal to proton plus neutron. Understand? So this is the mass number is equal to proton plus neutron. And if the number of protons is known, then you can find out the number of neutrons, and number of neutrons is equal to what? Mass number by minus number of protons. Yes, you can determine the number of protons per atom. And if if the mass number is given and number of protons is known, and then you can find out the number of neutrons of an atom. Okay, understand? Yes. Let's see. Another thing, students. And every element, the atom of every element is denoted by the symbol X. Symbol, the atom of every element denoted by symbol X. Where? And we can write here A is the, here Z is the subscript. This indicates the atomic number, and this indicates what? Mass number. This indicates the what? Mass number. Yes. This indicates the mass number. An atom usually denoted by the letter X, and where? Okay, in the subscript. Okay, Z sometimes you will see, and here in the subscript the atomic number you have to write, and the superscript you have to write the what? Mass number. Understand? Okay, let's see about the mass number, atomic number, how to find out the number of electrons and protons. Okay, note down. Okay, thank you. Let's see one by one how to determine the number of neutrons of an atom using the concept of mass number and atomic number. Okay, okay student. Let's see, and first of all we use hydrogen. Okay, understand. So hydrogen is denoted by letter H, capital H, and here the atomic number is what? 1, and mass number is what? 1. So from this is the symbolic representation of hydrogen, where in the subscript we have to write the atomic number, in the superscript we have to write the mass number. Okay, so from this it is clear that the atomic number Z is equal to 1 and mass number is also equal to 1. Understand? So hydrogen has same number of, so atomic number and the mass number is same. Okay, the atomic number means what? Number of electron. So atomic number 1 means number of electron what? 1. How many electrons? 1. And how many protons? Proton is also 1. Understand? And mass number means sum of the proton plus neutron. All of you know. So here at mass number is equal to 1. It means this proton plus neutron is equal to 1. And you see here how many protons hydrogen has? How many? 1 protons. So 1 plus 1, it means n is equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0. Hence n is equal to 0. So remember, how many neutrons an hydrogen atom has? How many neutrons? And hydrogen atom has 0 neutron, mean no neutron. Okay, understand? So from this you can clear that the atomic number is 1, mass number is 1, and number of electron is 1, and number of proton is also 1, and number of neutron is what? 0, means no neutron. Hydrogen atom has no neutron. So these are the concept we are getting from the atomic number and the mass number. Similarly, we will find out the number of neutrons, protons and electron of different types of atom. Okay, let's see another example. Okay, understand? So note down here. So another point you write here. Next point is known as suppose I am giving another example, helium. The symbol of helium is He, and its atomic number is 2 and mass number is what? 4. This is the helium. Okay, you see now the atomic number, this is the example 2, and here atomic number is what? 2. Mass number is what? 4. Mass number is 4. Okay, understand? And number of electron will be what? How many electrons? Say lovely, no problem. 2. And number of protons what? 2. So mass number is equal to proton plus neutron, which is the mass number, A, and this value is given 4. And you see the number of proton is 2, so 2 plus n is equal to 4. So that implies n is equal to what? 4 minus 2, which is 2. Hence n is equal to what? So the helium has how many neutrons? 2 neutrons. Okay, understand? So the helium atom has number of electron in the helium atom. Okay, you see number of electron is 2, number of proton is 2, and number of neutron is 2. Yes, and atomic number is 2 and mass number is 4. So this is very simple and vital concept you should know also. Okay, understand? Okay, so these are the basic concept I need to study. If you want to improve your basic concept of chemistry, first you should know how to determine the number of electrons, number of protons and neutrons. Okay, so it is clear? Note down. Okay, understand? Next point you see, next point is lithium. Third point is lithium. What is the symbol of lithium is? Li. Okay, understand? Here is lithium. This is the lithium, yes. Symbol of lithium is Li. Yes, and here you see lithium, the symbol is Li. Is it clear? And here the lithium is denoted by lithium, and this is the mass number is 3 and atomic number is 3 and mass number is what? 7. Right? Yes. So here the atomic number is 3 and mass number is what? 7. So number of electron will be what? 3. Number of proton is 3 and mass number means proton plus neutron is equal to 7 and number of proton is 3. So number of neutron is equal to 7. That implies n is equal to what? 7 minus 3. So n is equal to what? 4. Hence number of neutron is equal to 4. Understand or not? Okay. Similarly, you can prepare the list of the atoms, and you can find out by finding their atomic number. By knowing their atomic number and mass number, you can find out their number of electrons and protons and neutrons. Okay, is it clear? I hope you can understand. Okay, let us next come to the okay, suppose another example I am giving, that is the known as the sodium. Yes, sodium. And sodium, the symbol is what? Na, which is his symbol has come from the Latin word natrium. Yes or no? Yes or no? And the atomic number of the sodium is represented by its mass number. Atomic number is what? What is the atomic number of sodium? The atomic number of sodium is what? 11. Mass number what? 23. Yes. So atomic number of the sodium is 11. Yes. And mass number is what? 23. And number of electron. What is the number of electron? How many electrons it has? So number of electron will what? 11. And number of protons will also 11. Understand? And number of protons. Mass number is proton plus neutron is equal to 23. And number of protons is 11. So number of neutron will what? How many? 23 minus 11 is 12. So it has 12 electrons. 12 neutrons. The sodium atom has 12 what? Neutrons. Okay. So you can see here the sodium atom, which atomic number is 11, mass number is 23. Okay. That understand? The atomic number Z is equal to 11, mass number A is equal to 23. Yes. Okay. And number of electron is 11, number of proton is also 11, number of neutron is 12. Understand? Okay. And this is how you can find out the number of neutron, protons and neutron. Okay. And you will find out the different examples. Okay, thank you. I hope you will understand, you will practice it. Okay. I hope you will follow the class. Thank you, all of you. See you next time. Bye.